I'm talking to my buddies from Polinar Tactical, and they tell me, James, you've got to go see this Slovenian double-stack 1911 manufacturer, M-Arms, one of the nicest pistols here at the show. So I met my new buddy Phil here. He's going to tell us all about the M-Arms. Which model are we looking at, Phil?
Yeah, first, welcome to our booth. Thank you for visiting us. That is a brand new AION from M-Arms. We released that gun 2 days ago. So after our 1911 gun, the KRATOS, now we have a 2011 gun, what's 98% built in-house.
Okay, tell me all about it. I mean, is this just a typical 2011, or is this geared towards competition or self-defense?
No, I think from the weight, from 1.6 kilograms, we're not talking about self-defense or carry gun. Maybe that will be something what we build later. But that is definitely a competition gun. So our genes are in the IPSC, so competition shooting. And yeah, the whole idea of the gun is based on the IPSC shooting.
Sure, and Phil, I know that you're a good shooter and that you shoot with these. That's what I've heard. That's what I've been told. So why do I like this gun? Why would I buy this for competition shooting versus something else?
So this gun is really built totally in-house because we don't want to make any compromise. We don't buy parts from US guys, Chinese guys, Philippine guys. There's no baked material inside.
No MIM.
Not at all. We drill everything from full parts in-house. Let me show just a trigger bar. It's built of one part.
No shit. So that's a milled out trigger bar.
It's built of, yes. So, and that's a whole part of the guns are like this.
Okay, so every part milled, no MIM parts.
We are definitely not looking at a gun for saving money. It is an expensive gun, but for me it's 100% worth it because it's shooting that smooth. I got a KRATOS gun with 50,000 rounds on it, and it feels exactly like day one. So James, I want to show you how durable these guns are. That's my competition gun. I shot the World Shoot in Thailand and the European Championships in Greece with it. That gun have approximately 50,000 rounds on it.
That's crazy.
And it still cycles and feels like brand new.
And you still shoot with this one?
Yeah, I still shoot with that one. I will shoot in South Africa this year. The African champs with it, and yeah.
Okay, so I mean, you're paying quite a bit of money for it, but I mean, it lasts forever.
It feels like, to be honest, because I don't replace one part.
Shut up.
Now.
You're kidding me.
Not one part. I swear to God, not one part.
Yeah, sure. And I'm throwing you what we say softball questions, you know, in the U.S. because I came over here. Zhiga says, man, you got to come over, check this gun out. And I'm messing with the trigger. If you'll pardon me, Phil, there's a saying that I use on TFBTV where I'm pulling the slide back and it feels like oiled up tits on glass, you know. So like it's I can tell that this is a very high-end firearm. Now, what does something like this cost?
Yeah, we start here on that model. They come always double heat treated with diamond coating, all of them, and all of them are production ready, production optics ready, because I know in the US and the USPSA is now the most famous division, and the IPSC will follow. We'll have a standard gun with the optics on it, so all of them are optics ready. And we start in this version with €6,500 without tax.
I figured. I mean, that doesn't surprise me at all. When I came over here and I pulled the trigger, I was like, yep, at least €5,000. You know, just from trying it out. What's the magazine pattern?
Yeah, so also there we go a bit different way. We choose Megar magazines, built in Italy.
Yeah, fantastic.
So the idea is that we can get them, because for us it's from time to time difficult to get 2011 magazines from the US. The reliability is very good, and they are cheap.
Yeah, no, Megar makes some of the best magazines, probably the best magazines for the money. What is the pattern? So I know Megar is an Italian manufacturer. They do OEM for almost everybody. But what is the magazine also compatible with?
Yeah, it's the same magazine, for example, the Tanfoglio guys use or the Sphinx guys use.
Okay.
It's exactly the same magazine.
I see.
So we're looking for 20 rounds in 9mm and 80 rounds in 40.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else that you want to tell me about this, Phil, before we close it out?
I mean, I can tell you now 1 hour about everything, but there are a lot of interesting gadgets. For example, we don't have the long extractor anymore. We have a short one compared to a ZZ gun.
Mm-hmm. Why do I care about that?
Yeah, you care about that because you don't need a gunsmith. You don't have to bend something. You don't have to play around with the springs. You just punch out this part, put a new inside, and go on.
Easy.
Very easy. You can fix that safety here now with one screw. Mm-hmm. So also no gunsmith is involved. Mm-hmm. So, you know, our philosophy is to make everything perfect on a CNC machine so that every part fits in without doing nothing. Mm-hmm. So handmade is a nice word, but it's always only working when the guy is doing a great job,
right,
and have the same good day every day.
Right.
You know, and our machines have the same good day every day.
Right.
So all the parts fit inside all the time. We don't have to worry about that.
Right.
That maybe another guy did it and don't have the skills like the other one before, and then you get in trouble and have to go to a gunsmith to replace a safety.
Right. You don't have tolerance issues.
No, not at all.
And finally, I kind of noticed right here, you've got these screw holes on the side.
There will be a sump rest, and maybe in the future a rope gun.
Okay, so very cool. Like you can accessorize, you know, on the, and I see also bull barrel.
Bull barrel, also with a sphere bushing inside. Mm-hmm. So yeah, we try to fit all the boxes and put everything inside what's possible right now.
9mm only?
No, 9 and 40 on that one.
Okay, are you going to do any 45? They're going to want me to ask. I doubt it. But
100% there will be, but we need a bit of time.
Yeah, sure. I understand. Well, Phil, speaking of a bit of time, thanks for taking a bit of time.
Thank you very much
to
for
speak
visiting
with us here at TFBTV.
Yeah.
Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from IWA 2024.